Learning Management System training to give you the inside scoop on learning management systems. In this course, we will cover learning management system, evolution of LMS, function of LMS, benefits of LMS, key features of LMS, advantages and disadvantages of LMS. LMS is an abbreviation for Learning Management System. LMS is a software or web-based tool created to create, share, and deliver learning material to an intended audience online. With the help of LMS, we can organize and manage your online courses, your participants, their results, and analyze the effectiveness of your training materials. LMS is the software used to deliver the courses and modules intended to the team to increase or get to know about the latest technologies. Evolutions of learning management systems. Integrating technological devices like laptops, mobiles, or computers into the training process has been done in various ways at different times. Teaching machine. First learning machine developed by Sidney L. Pressey in the 1920s, the teaching machine offered various kinds of exercises and MCQs. The teaching machine required learners to drill in answers instead of typing them out, which would be recorded at the back of the machine. Problem cylinder. Milton Ezra Lazarte in 1929 created the problem cylinder, a device which provided instructions without the need for an instructor's intervention. Great features of the problem cylinder was that it not only tested learners' knowledge with MCQs, but also checked their responses. Saki, in a way, was the first machine to offer learning that felt mildly personal. Short for Self-Adaptive Keyboard Instructor, Saki was pioneered by Gordon Pask and Mackinnon Wood in the year 1956. Learning Management System. In 2000, the world was introduced to the first open source LMS, Moodle, short for Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. With Moodle, learners could start learning as soon as they downloaded the application onto their desktop computers. Personalized learning was made possible by letting learners pick the content they wish to store or export. LMS can be defined as a dashboard or web-based platform that enables trainers and co-admins to plan, evaluate, automate administration, report training events, and implement the learning process. In post-COVID era, laptops and mobiles are being used in all of our lives, and the use of online learning and skill development is increasing. The interaction between the trainers, the trainee, and the course material is often facilitated or supplemented by the internet LMS platforms. Due to the use of technological tools like LMS in the internet, greater continuity in learning can be ensured and the connections between both individuals and the course can be strengthened in the online environments of the digital revolution. Functions of learning management system. Depending on the organization's objective, desired outcomes and functions of LMS varies. However, the most common uses are managing users, courses, roles, and generating reports, deploy and track online training initiatives, customizable learning process, interactive environment or social learning, certifications and skills upgrading, anytime, anywhere learning. Benefits of LMS. Well-defined training process. Learning management helps to plan the training activities which trainer can share with your learners and co-administrators. By doing this, you can maintain and improve your training process. And LMS also helps in getting trainer reports, which is a time-consuming process when done manually. Gamified learning process. In this VUCA world, the working system has totally changed. Today, every employee is engaged with a laptop or a mobile or a desktop. And with the help of a learning management system, you make the training future ready. Plus, it becomes interesting and exciting for your target audience. It's a fact that each and everyone learns in a unique manner. If you apply different learning approaches, they increase your success rate. LMS helps in social engaging learning, leveraging the scope of technology. Tracking and reporting. Progress can be tracked, records can be reviewed, and users can register for more than one course based on his or her skill and preference. In addition to that, trainer can assign them to the desired courses and their performance can be tracked. These are some of the key benefits of LMS. Learning management not only delivers content but also handles registering courses, course administration, skill gap analysis, tracking, and reporting. Key features of learning management system: course management, assessment, social connectivity and gamification, security and privacy, tracking process, gradebook and communication tools. Course management. Course management features of an LMS has the capacity to deliver course to the subscribed or intended learners. It would include such features as content management and control and class scheduling. Course management feature is that it allows the trainer or co-administrators to assign the particular course. It gives them access to create and contribute to content creation in their own personal space and assign to user based on their skills or interests. Assessment. An LMS must be able to support the collection and creation of an accessible tasks along with the assignment of grades and feedbacks for each learner. Accessible tasks can include assignments, quizzes, and live projects evidence provided by the learner. Social connectivity and gamification. Learners get the answers in real time and the engagement is more geared towards being interactive learning between the learners such that learners don't feel bored. Learning management system makes the training future ready. Plus it becomes interesting and exciting for your target audience. Security and privacy. LMSs include user authentication, user verification, password verification, and intruder detection. Privacy are also important to ensure that sensitive information is available to the intended trainee only. Gradebook and communication tools. LMS has capabilities that facilitate the dissemination of assessment information to learners. LMS providers integrate with communication tool providers to facilitate asynchronous and synchronous communications. Asynchronous tools supports one-way communication, can facilitate course and material in an ad hoc manner. Synchronous tools support live interaction with learners and trainers. Tracking progress. LMS can enhance performance through tracking and reporting tools. New users' progress can be tracked, records can be reviewed, and user can register for more than one course. Advantages and disadvantages of LMS. Advantages: support interaction by helps in networking with people of similar interests and goals. Facilitates natural and active learning by providing flexible environment. Every content in single place, easy of access to learners. Ease of tracking learning process and to give feedback for admins and trainers. Disadvantages: social interaction is limited only to course members. Tendency to focus more on technology and process and not on the learner. Can limit creativity as sticking to particular course and content style. Legacy LMSs had extremely complex UI to begin with, and the focus was almost always on improving the technical aspects of the system and not making it more user-friendly. The key takeaways from this course are: LMS is an abbreviation for Learning Management System. LMS can be defined as a dashboard or web-based platform that enables trainers and co-admins to plan, evaluate, automate administration, report training events, and implement the learning process. It goes without saying that modern LMSs draw inspiration from a lot of yesteryear's inventions and innovations, from teaching machines, problem cylinders, Saki, and learning management system. Main functions and benefits of learning management systems is to managing users, courses, roles, and generating reports, deploy and track online training initiatives, and customizable learning process. Key features of LMS are course management, assessment, social engagement, gamified learning process, security, privacy, and tracking progress.